Hello viewers, welcome back to Tech with Sagar. Today I'm going to show you a way to disable snap packages and terminal ads on Ubuntu 26.04 and how you can enable and use Flatpak apps. By default Ubuntu uses snap package with Ubuntu software, but recently they also integrated snap with some terminal command as well. Many of you don't like snaps for various reasons. So I think today's video will help you out on this matter. Now let's get back to work. First let's open the terminal. Type the command given on description to disable snap packages. I'll add the on screen as well. If you get this output, then it's done. Now type the commands given next serially to disable terminal news ads. Now Snap is disabled, let's install Flatpak and GNOME software. I'll give you this link in description as well as the commands. You will need to run these commands one by one to set up Flatpak and GNOME software. Now we will need to restart computer to apply the changes. I'll come back after a restart. After restarting your computer, you should be able to find GNOME software in app list. As you can see, FlatHub is enabled and you can use them from GNOME software. Now let's remove original Firefox and Thunderbird which came with Ubuntu, as they are installed with snap packages. Now let's install Firefox and Thunderbird from GNOME software using FlatHub. You can manage your apps from GNOME software directly, so you won't need Ubuntu software app anymore. Firefox installation done. Some users of Ubuntu 25.10 and 26.04 reported having issue or error installing deb packages with Ubuntu software. You can install deb packages with GNOME software without any issue. Everything is working as expected without problem so far. So, here we are, latest Ubuntu installation with Flatpak enabled. That's all for today's video. It's relatively simple fix. If you want to know about something else, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching.